Management-Paielli, President and Broker of Simply Property Management. Today, I'd like to talk to you a little bit about why we don't permit our owners to speak with our residents. Well, there's three main reasons. One is confusing communication. The tenant will get a communication from you to do one thing, they get a communication from us to do something else, and it gets very confusing and it can cause a lot of problems and it's very hard to manage. Two, liability. We have a system for the tenants where they have a portal and everything comes into that portal and everything gets time-stamped, dated, and that's our work orders for that particular property. If it's a service issue in the home, like something is broke, we get on it, it gets into our system, it gets scheduled, and we know it's happening. If it doesn't come through that communication link, then we don't know about it, and that can cause a liability issue, it could cause damage to your home, and it can cause other serious issues. And then third, a circular conversation. Well, what's a circular conversation? Well, we tell the tenant one thing, you tell them something else. Now we're not sure what you told them. We have to contact you back, and then we have to contact the tenant back and maybe correct it. And so it just makes it very, very hard to manage. If you have any questions about this matter, please give me a call. I'd love to discuss it with you, okay? Thank you very much.